Welcome back to today's frequently asked question with Yakir Haven. Today we're going to learn how to look up within a range, which is very common when you have a table of values that you want to use to look up. So this can be used for tax brackets or bonuses. So let's do it. We have here a list of employees and how much sales they brought in, and based on their sales amount, we want to figure out their bonus level. For our company, we have some sort of brackets that we're going to create, and we're going to learn how to apply the brackets to the sales amount. So first of all, let's create our brackets. For example, we can have min, max, and bonus. So if they made between $0 and $100,000 in sales, we can give them a bonus of $500, let's say. Between 100,000 and 1 and 250,000, they can get a bonus of 1,000. Between 250,000 and 1 and 500,000, they get a bonus of 2.5K. And between 500,000 to a million, their bonus could be 5K. And anything from a million upwards, so you just type a million and then just type some huge number here. If you want to just do an upwards, they will get 10K. So this is our example, and you might be thinking to use some sort of if function, but that's a very complicated method which I don't recommend. The simple and fast way is to use VLOOKUP. So as follows: we do a VLOOKUP. Our search key is the sales, and we'll leave that on unlocked because we're going to drag this down. The range is our table, excluding the header column. These references we're going to lock because we want these to stay. The index is going to be column 3. That's what we're going to be returning, is the bonus. And then the important part is to make this last parameter true. This is what you use when you have range lookups. So you're looking for the incomes in between these minimum and maximum ranges, as opposed to having the exact income level here, which is impossible because there are tons of incomes. So hit true, and now you see if we drag down, we get the correct bonus number. We can just give this a nice format, and that's how you do it.